Hi, this is JC and DD here. I'm going to show you some glitches on Call of Duty Ghosts map Warhawk. One place that you can it'll be a good place to stay is basically here. It'll be hard for anyone to come up there because hardly nothing will come up there. It's just nothing never comes up there. I know one. Okay. There's another glitch that you could do. Basically, you see this truck here? You have to basically get on top of it, literally, yeah, and then just sprint there. This was one place. And then this is I see many players I see many players go behind this place, like behind here, go like this, there, like that. I see many players, like loads, and I never see them, so I think it should be good. This is what I do with multiplayer and with my friends. I literally go inside this bin and crouch down, and then when anyone comes I just shoot them. And my friends call me the dump man just because I just go on them. So to end the video, I'm going to try and find a place, yeah. The glitch is basically you can get out of the whole map, but it will take some time. But it won't take for ages. But if I start doing it, it will take some time. So I'll just show you how to do it, and then you could do it at home or something. I'm just trying to find the place now. I found it like 10 seconds ago. Yeah, basically it's this. You see that building? Basically you go on top of these sacks like these, and then you have to try and jump on there. Yeah? So basically I can't do it, but maybe, possibly you can. You can try. But yeah, basically that's it. If you like the video, please can you subscribe? Thank you.